kum ka jing sedang ban pin I da ki kam kata Maria Sha Thung kum mission director ka dream project ba Francis Kharshieng baderu IPS officer bala shong thaj kula hiar shiki jaka ki ba ki brio ki ba Kyrni ho Droks ki bon badru ba ka judan ka jing ikren bat ba ki de gi jaka ki ba ki kam khai Droksu ka jurba kani ka jing sedang uni mission director ka deru kumju akasngi ba ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society lingba ka sampurna suraksha kendra SSK haringkat kaman bha foundation ka arpulai trek unai weng arajar psau kila pelong ya ka health cam ka bashisngi ha Jhalupara ban aijing sumar ban pelong ru ya ka jingelang aijing kai halor drok na lor ba Francis G Kharshieng ki play don lang ikanthop ya ka Dr. Kalamar secretary ka manpa foundation Dr. K Sangma medical officer ICTC ka civil hospital Shillong ki doctor ki nong hikai ringkat ki khna school bar ki we de haga jingle jurep uba Francis ulayo ban he kendu ik samla ki bla Kyrni ga jingdi Droks ki ban ki te ki jaka bat ban kentu ki ba ki de ban long ki ba kloy ban lech ki jaka sumar ki ba ai ki dawai kumno bakin la ban Droks
ada ko baraso ek ये तो ले बाबू ने
एवढे सिरिंज में सब
सामान किनेर आधा
एवढे सीसी सब करने
आधा के
अगर मन नहीं तो मैडम को बात करो मदद करिए डिटॉक्स के लिए आप लोग भी यही मदद करने
डिटॉक्स करेंगे में होगा तो जाएगा सिविल में भी दवाई
अगर आप मन नहीं मतलब छोड़ने के लिए मदद करने के लिए हम बात करूँ हम पूरा सपोर्ट लेकिन पूरा मन होना चाहिए ये नहीं होना चाहिए एक दिन 2 दिन आएगा चालू करेंगे
जिसका मन नहीं है उसे मत नहीं करने से
जैसे आप लोग अभी कब बोला है 1500 से 2500 से 3000 तक रोज का खर्चा ये कौन हम लोग अपना बच्चा को भी नहीं दे सकता रोज इतना पैसा तो ये तो सोचने वाला आप लोग अच्छा से सोचो मौका है मैडम लोग गवर्नमेंट को है मदद करने का ट्राई करो कोशिश करो अगर मन है तो ये हम मदद करने के लिए ठीक है मैडम को आप लोग सब पसंदता है आप लोग मैडम को बात करो मैडम हमको साथ बात करें हम लोग तैयार है मदद करने ठीक है
Hashwa ka jingle jurep haba a jingkren haka health camp ba Francis ula pensngo ba jala ka dana pedeng ka jingma ka background na ka jingjele drok bat ka chuat ba ban ye khun ye kani ka jinge haba benrap ikani ula ongru ba sarkar kala penkre ye ki vehicle scanner ban bu aki khardap ka badan cleariat abnehat kumju hakanong ba Shillong
mission which the government has launched recently which is called a dream for reduction and elimination of drugs in Meghalaya, the state. We are in a really crucial stage in our state, where we have suddenly seen the spurt of drugs abuse in our state. I just wanted to, it is a very challenging work that we have to, that the government has to take. But I think it is possible that we may be able to break through with the government support, but very crucially with your support, with each and every individual support in the community. This problem is a very dangerous thing, and I have seen this. I took up this responsibility because I felt it's very drug abuse in our state is very close to my heart. And I feel very pain when I walk in the streets, and I'm sure all of you also must have seen when you walk in the streets of Shillong. You've seen some nook or corner children, using drugs and abusing drugs. And it is causing a lot of issues to our society, to our community, to our state. I'm sure if we all work together, we will be able to do. The government today is now, as far as prevention is concerned, they are planning to set up 2 vehicle scanners One at the entry from Trarian, it's called Atiar, and the other is from Kyrwoh, that is in Pernia. So the government is planning to place 2 vehicle scanners. The scanners like you see in the airport, where you put your luggage, and so vehicles would cross that scanner. We also in the process of getting dogs, sniffer dogs, to utilize them in these 2 places, and also in Shillong city. So from the prevention side, government is going all out to take measures to stop. Because personally, I feel this is not a fight against our own people. It is a fight against those drug smugglers. We should try to stop them at all costs. But on the other hand, we should have some empathy to people who have fallen to this problem. And this people who have fallen to this problem can be guided through if with the proper awareness, with the proper care, with the proper support. And I'm really grateful for Dr. Mika and Dr. Fida for arranging such camps, because this is part of the issue which transformed into HIVs, the multiple use of syringes, which causes infection of HIV and a lot of other diseases. So I hope this is just an introduction. I will be interacting with many of our community leaders and people in general, and I implore on each and every one of you to join hands together with the government, that so we can be able to eliminate this issue, this problem.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam khta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.